Greetings everyone, I'm Faye Helmet, and to kickstart my channel with reviews, cardboard, and Nerf, we're going to be taking a look at Jeb the Boxmith's classic Katana. This cardboard prop actually has a bit of backstory to it, believe it or not. Jeb himself told me about its construction, whatnot, its features, which I'm going to have to bring up. Jeb sent this to me for free, while everyone else is forced to pay for it. So, slightly biased review, but you will see later on that won't prevent me from being brutally honest about some parts of this cardboard prop that I don't like. Now, some features of this include a easy to snap together blade that makes this thing so much more easy to craft. As you can see here, each part of the blade is connected together by these locking points that you obviously have to glue together to make the blade itself. And therefore, the entire design can fit onto a piece of A4 paper. Meaning that you can send it pretty much to anyone, as a seller, of course, and they can be able to construct it themselves. However, there are some parts of this that during my assembly process made it a bit alienating to assemble. It was easy to assemble, don't get me wrong, but there are some minor quibs, some minor things that I wish could be better. And I'm certainly going to talk to Jeb about these certain parts because, you know, we're friends and we help each other improve. Now, the classic Katana has a central main body, a central layer, and two outer layers that are reinforced with popsicle sticks or another rod of your choosing. Now, in my example, I wasn't actually able to get popsicle sticks, so I used skewers, which makes this thing much, much weaker than what Jeb's final design for it was. But despite that, it's still pretty sturdy. You're probably going to be using a slightly thicker cardboard to make this, however. I did not make a wise decision in assembling this by making it out of thinner cardboard. As you can see, it's pretty thin, but other than that, it gets the proportions pretty well. Now, you'll notice one thing about the one that Jeb assembled versus the one that I assembled, other than the popsicle sticks being replaced with skewers. I didn't add the little notch, the little guard notch here that Jeb drew. That is because I lost one of the pieces while I was constructing it, and I was like, it adds to the looks, but it doesn't really add to the function. But, unfortunately, it does add a bit to the construction because the guard needs to be assembled in such a way that those lock it into place, which is another gripe I have with this thing. Another nitpick I could do is that you could easily make this much better to adjust this guard by having a system where the guard is two separate pieces that clip together. Now, the same goes for the blades. I know I complimented them, but the way that they lock in currently could use a bit of work and isn't exactly the greatest because I had to adjust my notches and various other things. I had to adjust them multiple times to get them to fit. But despite this, I really enjoyed making this. This was surprisingly a lot more fun and much easier than what I was expecting. Minus the gripes here and there, minus the problems I had with this. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to do all the various YouTube stuff if you'd like to. I'm not gonna force you to. This is a small channel, you know, but be sure to like, comment, subscribe if you feel like it, and go check out Jeb the Boxmith. Go check out his amazing work and videos. I'm really, really excited for what he's going to be doing in the future. I will see you guys then next time.